Hey friends, it's Rachel with the Ponds Farmhouse, and today I am ready to do some Easter decorating. I went to the Dollar Tree and picked up some of these oval-shaped, egg-shaped wreath frames, and I thought it would be fun to make some wreaths for around the house for Easter. I went ahead while I was there and picked up some of their little wooden eggs that they have. They also had these adorable little faux carrots. I got some greenery. I got some flowers. I got these little planting pots, some moss, and I looked around the house and I picked up some old book pages. These are like actually old magazine pages. And we're going to put together more than one wreath. I'm not sure. I've got at least 3 ideas, but we'll see how it all ends up. But I cannot wait to start putting these together for you. I love budget-friendly decorating and DIY ideas, and if you do too, then you're in the right place, and I hope you'll subscribe to my channel. So let's get this first cute Easter wreath started. Okay, for our first wreath, I have actually gone ahead and covered this with some floral tape so that we've got something to work with. And we're going to actually be using the reindeer moss. I have this cute little straw bunny. We're going to use it. And I'm going to be using the little carrots and the little pots here. So let's get this one put together. Okay, friends, how did you like it? Isn't that just the cutest? It turned out even beyond my expectations. And we have a lot of materials left over for the next wreath. So we're going to be using some materials over and over again. So you don't have to purchase so much when you go to the Dollar Tree. But our next wreath is a little different. This is going to be using these little wooden cutouts that you can get at Dollar Tree. And we're going to be, this is a little bit dressier looking. We're actually going to be adding some ribbons to them. I have purchased some blue and green floral pillows for the spring, and I thought, well, this would be a cute idea to have hanging in my living room along with those new pillows for Easter. So we're going to get started on this one. And next we're making a blue and green Easter egg wreath, and what we used is the wooden cutouts from Dollar Tree. I'm using 2 different sizes. We spray painted them with a chalky white paint first, and then I'm just adding ribbon. I've got 4 different ribbon designs, and I'm alternating the way that I am applying them to the different eggs. Then once we have all of our eggs made, then we're going to hot glue them to the actual wreath. Then filling in around the wreath with a little bit of the moss just around the edges of it. Just alternate everything. Then I'm going to make these little seed pots, filled them with some more of the moss and a stick, and attach some of the smaller eggs to them to give it some dimension. And we tied a bow on, and now we have the cutest little egg wreath. Okay, friends, how do you like the Easter egg wreath? I am just in love with this. It's going to be perfect here in my living room for spring, along with my new pillows. I just wanted to point out a couple of things because I did not do as good a job videotaping this one. But what I did was I just alternated the eggs. This is a larger egg and then a smaller one on top. So they're just alternated, and then the three here at the bottom are the small eggs. And I put one stick at the back, and then in between where I put the two little seed pots. So it's just really cute and easy. I had actually completely finished the wreath and realized that you could see some little areas of the frame that I wasn't happy with. So what I did was I just went back in and just added little sprigs of the reindeer moss here to finish it up. So hope you like it. I want to point out one other thing. I use a lot of hot glue, and I absolutely love my Ryobi cordless glue gun. But another thing that is so important is that you wear finger protection. Believe me, I've had many burns, and with all of these crafts, it really takes some finger protection. Now, this next one, we're going to do the final one. I did 3. We're actually going to be using some old book pages, and these are actually from not a book, but like a magazine, a really old magazine. And what we're going to do is we're actually going to trace these, and we're going to kind of tear the edges and decoupage them to the wooden eggs. That's going to be the first part of it. And then we're going to do some more little cute things to make it really pop. So this is going to be a little bit more rustic looking. So let's get started. Okay, that was our third and final Easter wreath that we're making here today with Dollar Tree supplies. And I just wanted to share a couple of things about this wreath just in case you didn't catch it. First of all, we made these cute little flowers, just stuck them on some twigs from out in the yard. All this is just using little strips of the paper cut with some scallop-shaped pinking shears, and then rolled into a roll and put and glued onto the little twigs. This seed cup is cut in half, and then I used 3 of the small decoupaged Easter eggs here behind this. Then the larger eggs are up here, and I actually added the bow and then decided that it would be really cute to add the polka dots to the little seed cup and to the eggs here. And so that's how that one came together. I hope you enjoyed this, and I look forward to learning which is your favorite of the 3 wreaths that we made here today. I hope that you'll follow along on all of my adventures by subscribing to my channel, and I'd love to have you also following over on my blog. I I really appreciate you watching today, and thank you so much for following along.